Great rising, let's get it. Monday, another week of self mastery and implicating discipline. I am a consistently successful probabilistic trader who has absolute faith in God and me and my path of limitless abundance. I only trade my strategy at key entry points, which is a result of high level performance. I am disciplined. I'll never be broke again. I have control of my thoughts. I am the observer. I focus only on performance, not outcome ever. We do not control the outcome. Outcomes are random. We accept it. We just be blissful and enjoy the process. Come on. As long as we focus on the process, we will have wonderful performances. I am the greatest trader. Ask and it shall be given to. Seek and ye shall find. Knock and it shall open unto you. I deny error. I have health, discipline, and wealth in abundance. I know I am what I think about. I am just learning. I deserve this life. Positive, happy mental every day. I am truly limitless. I'm controlling my thoughts more and more each day. I rule my destiny. Yes, sir. Let's go. And for our strategy, we have I rule my destiny, and so do you. For our strategy, we have start the timer, accept risk, enter one tick above or below, two-legged pullback, low or high, high or low, triple test, fail breakout, break and retest. Play stop one tick at our signal bars. We have our tier 1s, tier 2s, tier 3s, tier 4s, tier 1, tier 2, tier 3, tier 4. Trust the unknown. Measure risk to reward and deep bellows breathing in your stomach, right? Let's go. Be present, breathe. Monitor 3 bar/1 minute chart. I am only process. Lock in 10 points near risk to reward. Break even. I am only progress. Think heavenly, think godly. Gratitude to learn always for everything. And the market is open, so let's get it. Exactly. Yo, yo, great rising. What's going on? Another lovely weekend run. It's just what we do now. Regular. Hey, you guys think we will get affected today by the Juneteenth? Not really, right? Some holiday they made up for African Americans. Yeah, they have some holiday here, run, but I don't think it's for real. Yes, it is. I still find a way. Dun, 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 dun. Huh? Of course. We over here waiting, awaiting, awaiting. I low-key have been seeing they've been doing a bit of second entry long traps, but then they give you second entry short. So like right here, for instance, we had a 0, we had a first entry, second entry. They act like it failed, but then all they did was give you really a 0, first entry, second entry short. So I'm, yo, yo, great rising. So I'm being a little mindful of that today.
Hey Phoenix, y'all see what you and Ben been doing, man. Y'all been doing some good work, putting some good foundation down, man. One of these days I gotta run down with y'all guys too, man. I gotta have something in my hand. You know what I'm saying?
Mm.
But yo, it's nice. I like it though. I like it. I see. Yeah, I like that.
I don't like it. I don't like none of it.
You like it? I like it very much.
uh,
Yo, let me tell you what's happening, yo. Okay, Black Rock, Black Rock,
yeah.
$11 trillion company
Uh-huh.
is now. I don't know if you heard it. Is now put a offer to put an ETF through the SEC, which means now for Bitcoin. Understand? You know, 99%, 99.8% achievable, approvable rate every time they put something out. So there's only 0.2%. You know what I mean? They don't succeed. So that being said, all that crap that's going on between Coinbase and the SEC and Ripple with the SEC, they're gonna shut all that down soon.
Yeah.
The halving, the halving is in April 2024. Before the halving always happened, maybe 6 months prior to it happen. There's always a run up. There's always a run up and a big sell off, and then another huge run up right after the halving.
Okay.
So I'm looking at $100,000 Bitcoin, me personally.
I'll look
So
for
as
that
of
too.
right now, it's 26. So I mean, I'm being conservative when I said 100,000 because there's a lot of people that's similar to how I trade here, FOMO in,
Yep.
fear of missing out. So basically, it can really run up from 100,000 to $300,000 easy.
In a second.
So yeah.
Everybody start
So I'm
jumping
looking.
on, it's over.
So
Yo, BlackRock been
what's
making
gonna
some
happen?
serious moves though, bro. I've been hearing about that company all year last year, and they're the company I told you they just bought up that you could tell these people have money just to do whatever with. Cause
Mm-hmm.
the day that land stuff came out, the digital land, the next 2 3 days they bought. I told you like 100 to $300 million worth.
Yeah.
You don't you you don't even know what's going on. You just bought it just in case.
Just in case.
Just in case, bro. That's a sad.
So just to let so that news right there, um, they said 2003. Let me see, 2003. BlackRock was the one that actually put the ETF out, or rather, the spot market for gold out, and it just went berserk 400% up, like whatever, or 400x, whatever you want to call it. I don't know what it is exactly, but it just jumped drastically
Hmm.
for the gold, 2003. So if it does the same thing again, everybody else gonna follow through. They're gonna have a spot ETF like GBTC, of course, that try to get one. Fidelity try to get one. All these guys gonna follow, gonna copy everything that um, BlackRock did, and then they all gonna have also another ETF, a spot market, whatever you wanna call it. So eventually, Bitcoin just gonna continuously going up. The only bad thing is Bitcoin that you might not be able to own it yet. You might not be able to put it in a wallet.
To do what?
Huh? Well, if you let them put out an ETF, or rather spot market price for that ETF, I mean for that Bitcoin, they will have Coinbase custody the Bitcoin, which means that it will never leave Coinbase. As of right now, you can't actually buy from Coinbase and put it in a personal wallet of yours, or remember the code in your head, whatever. And then every time you need to go on the computer, it's an online chain, whatever you call it. But you can remember if you can remember it or memorize it, or you can put it in a hardware wallet, it's yours forever. You can leave United States with it. But as of right now, once they implement that, they may tell you are illegal to own what you could own it through a company like Coinbase. You can own it through Cash App. You can own it through Fidelity, but you cannot have it the code for yourself. You cannot have that key to yourself. So what you're gonna do is you can leave. like right now, you buy it and leave the country trip. You're like, okay, because it's in all in your mind, because you have the keys with you. But you cannot, if you let that happen, eventually, what they're gonna do is like, you know what? Rich people now is gonna be the one that's having it, and they're gonna say, hey, you can't own it because you're not a credit person, a credited person that made over two hundred
Third,
fifty
a
thousand
third
dollars.
party, right?
What was that?
That's a third. Basically, you're saying that a third party has to own it for it to be legal to have it.
Exactly. So hold it for it to be legal. You know what I'm saying?
That's now who's over the jurisdiction of what's legalities of owning that? Y'all know? I'm
SEC.
just looking at.
SEC.
SEC.
Mm.
And what's that other one? The commodity one. What's that other one called? What's the name of it? It's a commodity regulator, whatever you want to call it again. Got the name. But anyway, they're the one that gonna regulate who could own it, who can't own it. But eventually, what's gonna happen, like I said, is nobody in the United States gonna be able to own it. It's gonna be like a paper trade type of stuff. Like basically,
Right.
you want on gold, you could own gold. Seriously, you could own gold. But eventually, remember what happened some years ago when they said it was illegal for you to own gold? You had to bring the gold back to the bank. The bank give you about $25 within the next week or the next quarter. The gold just went berserk. People was
Yeah.
like, it was crazy because you could make if you held the gold as the government say it's illegal for you to own it, to put it underneath your bed, put it in your safe or whatever it is, and then come back and say you give it to the bank and then give fiat money for it, and then the same year the gold double or triple.
Yeah, normal bait and switch.
You know what I'm saying? What I'm trying to say? So that's the same thing
Bait and
that's happening.
switch.
Huh?
It's the bait and switch. Normal scam stuff. That's all.
Exactly.
In
Let me
in
That's a
go
scam.
in trading, we call that liquidity. They just grab that.
Oh yeah, my bad. Nice word. Liquidity.
They just grab whatever's
Bait and
up there.
switch.
Yeah, and dive off the next way.
now
Bait and
them, uh, with them doing that right now, man, it's gonna be crazy. But as of right now, it's gonna stay around the same pricing. You know what I'm saying? I think they got some time before the SEC review it, but SEC will probably never decline these guys because they are worth over $11 trillion they handle. Not only that, they have a lot of sub companies that own companies. Like they they mostly own a lot of Amazon, Microsoft. They own basically every big company you think of. Bezos don't own a lot of stock. They do. BlackRock own real estate, own countries. A matter of fact, Ukraine right now is going to owe BlackRock a lot of money. You know what I'm saying? Ukraine, um, well, a lot of places, man. Let's go this way. It's gonna be crazy.
Well, we getting ready.
You really.
We, we getting ready for it.
Bitch, that drip worked out pretty good
What's that?
on your background over there. It look
Oh
kind of
yeah, I see your background too.
cool.
Got roaches coming from everywhere. Ja is calling me right now. What he got going on?
It's kind of weird, man.
Yo yo.
Around the same press,
Great rising, man. You good?
But they're not on my.
Okay.
Good morning, everyone. Good
Yeah,
morning.
but I was wondering why. Hey, great rising, Jeff. I was wondering why the hell you was up at like 4 in the morning. I was like, yo, this dude got this.
Trade off so far?
The trading got this dude thinking about everything. 4 in the morning.
You got one so far?
I traded last night, man. Right at 7 o'clock, I
Okay.
saw a liquidity sweep. I grabbed my 232 ticks, plus I grabbed another 175, 80 ticks.
Yeah, bro. I'm watching
Yeah,
right now.
so
We didn't get a big
I
push to
had
start
three
the
more
day, which is
evaluations
interesting.
last night. Got
So
two
we're
more,
seeing right
three
now.
more to go.
Yeah.
And
What?
I'll have all 12
Cause of
Mondays.
Juneteenth. But it's moving.
Still gotta get my days in.
Oh, bro.
So,
Maybe for the rest of the stuff,
It's
but futures, you
like,
already know futures is open.
uh,
So that's what I'm
oh,
watching.
that's right, Chris. You weren't here Friday Friday when I was asking, when I was
Yeah,
telling
remember,
people
bro, I don't care for the
money
big
plan
move. I
is
just
going to
need
work.
10 points, huh?
Oh, those sounds are gonna work.
So
Yeah, I'm on
around
here right now.
Thursday,
That's why I didn't even
don't
pick up
tell
your
them
call,
when
because
your
my phone is
income,
my
right?
camera, so I didn't even see
Now
you
they
call till
wait.
later.
Well, they came to me
What you doing?
Friday morning.
What you doing later?
Like I was going for my walk, and I was like, man, God,
But
I
I'm
don't get
pull
$1
up
million
on you then when
trades,
I'm
but
done with
what
this. I
is
got a
$1 million
couple meetings.
trade? And when
I
I
got
broke
one
it
meeting
down,
at
I
3, but I might
realized that
even
I
be able
can
to do it on my phone.
just
So
make
even if I'm over there, I could just either
$237 a
do
day,
it at your
and that
crib
makes
if
$1
you're not
million
doing that,
if
or
I'm
after
doing
that
20
I'll just
accounts.
slide through.
So I was like, all right, $237 is my goal every day. Not so once I get that, I lock it in, and then I
Alright,
let
say less.
everything
Well,
else
I'm gonna
ride.
see what's good with this. I got one meeting at 11,
My goal is to
and then I'm
average
chilling after. I'm gonna come
minimum
back to my house for like 1. So
237 a
after
day.
like
So
1-ish
I
or
locked that
so,
in,
2-ish,
let the
probably
rest
call
ride.
you and
Just like
slide
last
over
night,
there.
I locked in my $237.
Alright, brother. So we talk soon.
And then, which is today's money, in terms of what do you call it, the funded account. But still, I, two of the I won 3 last night, and then I still have 3 left. So I'm $150 short on one, 175 short on another one, and the other one I'm like $1,000 away. So that's why I'm trading this morning, looking for it to get, if I can get all the rest of those done, then I can just trade micros the rest of the week. I should be funded in 10 accounts by Friday. I think it's Friday. We'll be on 7 trades.
There you go. You know what? It comes to us. It comes to us as similar. It came to me somewhat the same as well. But we broke down. Terrence broke down a funding way to actually always get funded or getting paid every 15 days and so on. The whole thing is, all we need basically is $200 a day. Not even, but when the trade shows up, $200, 10 points is good enough. Majority of successful traders, they don't average thousands of dollars and so on. They average literally $300, $350 top. Average top traders. Now, not saying that they just trade every day now. If you have the average from 12-month trade, and if you break down, say for example, they trade maybe half the time, that breakdown success is $350 a day they trade. So yeah, the profit taking at $237 is a great idea, awesome idea.
And that's net of their commission, by the way. It's $208, before commission, but I added commission to it because I was like, you know what? I want to make $1 million, not 800,000.
How many trades? How many trades you could take one day?
What's that, bro?
How many trades can you take in one day?
Two per session.
Okay.
Yeah.
I like that.
Yeah.
I thought.
Meaning the morning session and the afternoon session, 2 trades max.
Yeah, and I told you I'm on you like white on rice. I'm just writing out everything you tell me. I'm like 2 trades. If I hear more than 1 trade, I'm just looking. I'm like, that's it, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Hold me accountable. Absolutely.
Yeah, bro. We all need it. We all need it from each other, man. I'm telling you, it's the little cheat code in the game. Let's see what we doing. Yo, is anybody else chart just moving slow? It's moving slow, right?
Oh, it's slow. Yes.
Okay. I'm just making sure. I'm at 110 ticks. Again, I'm only looking for 10 points, so that's fine with me.
Well, obviously, this is a holiday, so it might be a holiday for most.
Bro, what is this holiday, bro? Can you tell me what this holiday is?
Man, that's Black People Day.
Yo, so hold on.
You don't know what Juneteenth is?
Yo, bro, I know what they tell me it is. I know damn well that is another Fugazi type shit, bro. What?
Isn't Juneteenth the anniversary of the slaves being freed or something?
Who told you that?
That's what it is if you look it up.
Bro, they still slaves right now. I don't want to say it on live stream, but
They partying right now, bro.
there's definitely still slaves right now, bro.
You said what?
There's slaves right now. I'm not gonna cap.
You said what?
There's still slaves right now.
Yeah, bro. You know, in prison, if you get in prison, they get enslaved.
Bro, I was watching some thing last night how they capturing people and just you wake up on the middle of the boat in like Thailand or something. And what you gonna do?
Oh yeah, bro. Everybody knew that. Of course, there's still slavery in the world, of course.
Hey, so what are we celebrating?
No, they celebrated African American like in 1800s, bro. Back in the day,
bruh.
like 1500, 1600s, 1800s.
When was the Civil War again?
I don't even know.
Like 3 years ago? Nah, let me stop. Like what, bro? Like I said, all this stuff is just dumb, bro. I see you, Gravy Guru, Alfred coming in here with your comments.
Nah, Gravy Guru. That's a funny name.
That's Ben's name. That's Ben's name. He the Gravy Guru. Ben, that's his name, Gravy Guru. That's what I call him at least.
Yeah, it's pretty slow. Everything's moving slow.
Hey, bro. Again, I'm not here. I don't need to trade nothing. I can do my M&Q and get in and get out. I don't need to trade. I'm just watching.
I'm looking at Bitcoin right now. That's what I'm looking at. That's why we got. That's another thing too. I'm going to tell you. We need to start looking at Bitcoin. Start trading that sucker.
You want to trade Bitcoin?
Dude, if we're gonna have some volatility soon, shoot.
Yeah, bro. You know they got a little little futures for Bitcoin. I forgot what it's called.
Hold on. Tell you right now.
Cryptocurrency. Yeah, it's like BTC USD.
Yeah, that's it. That's the same one. Who put that one out? There's four of them. There's four futures market.
Oh, that could be crazy. I know that for sure.
I feel like Bitcoin would like ignore the strategies.
Yeah.
Cause like how volatile it is.
Yeah, but yo, NQ is one of the most volatile things. Like in general. And you see how it shows up here.
Bitcoin has not been volatile lately.
Yeah, bro.
It's not.
NQ is crazy, bro.
If you catch it on the right day, like really catch it on the right day, it could run. I mean, it easily could run $2,000 or $3,000 one day, depending on how many contract you got on this sucker right now.
Yeah, bro. This dude I used to watch, he used to be trading Bitcoin, futures, and some stock here and there all at once. It'd be crazy. So crazy, man. The more screens and the better you get, I feel like the more time we'll have to look at other stuff. Man.
Hey, what's your good? No, all right.
We got second entry long on ES right now. I'm trying to see if it wants to break back into this range on the ES.
You looking at the 10K ES?
Nah, I'm looking at the 2K ES right now. I just be switching back and forth, yo, when I'm looking at the ES. I really want to start watching the ES as well to see if the two-legged pullback shows up there. But now it's just really some research. I was talking to Jeffrey about it mostly. 2 points, guys. 2 points. And all we need is one out of those two. 2 points.
You're doing a 2-point, like 20 contract?
Yeah, bro. I'm going to start doing it soon. I'm just doing research on it now. You know, I got to get feedback. I got to see how it looks. I really got to see how it plays out. But, bro, 1 point, and I'm done for the day.
Nice.
That's gonna be it. Stroll in here.
I saw that strategy, man. I'm like, wow.
I'm
that's
gonna.
crazy.
If I need to
20,
wait.
15?
Yeah, 20, right?
Yeah, 20 point, 15, 1 point, and then move up to your stop loss, catch the five other contract. It could run to two, 3 points and get the hell out.
That man made $1,500 in 3 minutes. All right. One trade. Nah, bro.
He said one trade.
One trade. We doing something. We still trying a little too hard. Still trying a little too hard. And if I know I'm just, huh?
If it goes the other way, that's $2,000.
That's $1,000 same way. So that's why I said you gotta be selective, because now I'm basically risking 1,000 for 1,000, and it has to be a valid trade.
Bro, I feel like you're just bored, bro. You've been doing well with the normal trade, so now you're trying to find
Nah.
Some
It's not about bored, Gavin. You can't stay in the same place. I'm getting comfortable at what I'm doing. I can do what I do. I'm getting comfortable. That's when you stay where you stay, bro. I'm trying to trade 1,000 to 100 contracts. I already told you. That's my mindset.
Bro, you don't think that's a little risky though?
Bro, I see people trading 3,000 contracts at a time, Gavin. What is the risk? If you have enough capital, what's the risk, bro? It's the same trade we taking, no?
What that guy said, he said, everything is risky. Life is risky.
It's the same risk, bro. Yo, the same two-legged pullback you take, when you take it with one contract and you take it with two, what's the difference?
Well, you said what?
When,
Wait, hold on real quick.
You good.
Like when that guy said, life is risky.
Life, everything. Man, say, you want to know how risky life is? You're not going to make it out alive. So you better take risk. That's my dude right there, Jim Rohn. He said, don't ask for it to be easier. Ask to be better. He said, don't ask for more time. They'll take you away. There's no more time.
What you saying, bro?
Yeah, I was saying, bro, you used to trade one contract, right?
Yeah.
What's the difference when you trade 3 contracts now? 4 contracts I see you trading. What's the difference?
There's more risk.
But you know what you're doing now, right? So you're not really thinking about the risk.
I don't really know.
So why you not trading one contract then?
You said what?
So why you not trading one contract then?
No, I still think about the risk, but bro, 3 contracts and 20 contracts is like that's a big gap, bro.
Like, that's room where I need to grow into.
Well, yeah, everybody different.
Bro, watch. You're going to be saying the same thing soon. Watch. It ain't nothing else, bro. It ain't nothing else but risk. All of it is risk.
Cause yo, if I use 20 contracts and I lose a trade, I'm gonna be heated, bro. I'm gonna probably not want to hop back into like a whole week.
Exactly. So right now, you can't really digest that. You can't digest that big of a loss. Bro, I've been digesting that all last year. $1,500 loss, $2,000 loss, $3,000. I've been digesting that all last year, this year.
What was your account, right?
It depends what account you have. Again, I'm not going to be trading 20 contracts in a 50K or 25K, right? You can't even do it. But a 300K you can, 150K you can. So what's the difference? Again, I keep asking you, there's no difference. It's just how you look at it. If I got a 25K account, it's equal to me trading 4 contracts the way I trade 20 in a 300K, in all reality.
So pretty much only thing you're saying is you're not finna give steak to a 3-month-old, a 3-month-old child.
I'm not finna do what?
You're not finna give steak to a 3-month-old.
Why? Why would I do that?
Because they can't digest it.
Y'all gonna kill it. Y'all gonna kill yourselves.
Well, kill it.
Your mental capacity will be destroyed.
Right.
Because when you see that negative 2,000 show up, if you're not planning to handle that, you're gonna break down. Now imagine if you got a 50K account and you go try that, you lose 2,000, bro. You got $1,000 left. Right off the rip, you take one more trade like that in there, and it doesn't go your way, you're done. Yeah, bro. We just go manage our risk, bro, in different levels. Yo, this is moving so slow. Damn.
Yeah, this thing's moving too slow for me, man. I'm late. I don't know if it's me, but even Bitcoin's not even moving.
Yeah, bro, I'll give it to like 10:30. If I don't see none, I'm sliding. I know we got some news at 10. I'm hoping we get some type of movement.
You saw that thing I sent you yesterday?
Which one?
Somebody already took it, man. Somebody put it in a contract already.
Oh, for the thing yesterday?
Yesterday, it came out yesterday. Somebody put it
Man said, I'm not moving fast enough. I need to see it and buy it right away. He said, oh,
It was around the corner. It was around the corner.
God damn. Yo, what?
Yeah, right away. And I called my agent, like, he's like, just got a contract. I'm like, damn.
So, bro, people are really looking at this place then, like looking at it every day, like all the time.
People moving out of the United States by a boatload. That's what's happening. They're moving out of the United States by a boatload. They go anywhere but the United States. That's what's happening. And not only in the United States, Canada as well. I gotta tell you, even Colombia, they're moving from Colombia, they're moving from Brazil, they're moving from, like, they're going toward Central America. I don't know why.
They moving to Colombia?
From Colombia.
From?
Yeah.
Hmm.
From Colombia. There's a lot of Colombians out there too.
That's definitely interesting.
What's that? El Salvador?
Yeah.
Queen City? And that's El Salvador right now.
Uh-huh.
Venezuela. El Salvador. El Salvador, there's a lot of interest in it right now. A lot of interest.
Yeah, bro, I'm telling you. Remember, I've been waiting for this for the past 2 years. As soon as I seen the layout of the blueprint, I was like, yeah, I know what's happening too. Like, yeah, it's El Salvador, but these Saudi Arabia people is getting into everywhere secretly. If you look at all the blueprint layout of all these cities that are building, they're in the strip type section now, how they build the stuff in Saudi Arabia. Like, they'll go out in the middle of the desert, they'll just build a city in the desert. It's like self-sustained city.
Well, that's what China is doing to Africa right now.
See what I'm saying? So now people are just waking up, paying attention, like, all right, we could do this everywhere then. I tell you, bro, when I do research, the Saudi Arabians or whatever they want to call them, the people from Dubai, they own half of England, more than half of England, like the historical sites of England. Imagine, like we said, we live in America, but the Statue of Liberty is not owned by New York. It's owned by like a different country. You'd be like, what? That's how the English people are getting their money right now. They're just selling out.
Yeah. Well, right now, there's, what's that president? Is it Kenya? They're saying, I think XRP is playing a major part around the world. XRP. Selling funds from country to country. Now, I think they are in Africa right now. They're doing it, but they don't want to let nobody know. You know what I'm saying? Like, literally. Because of that SEC lawsuit that's going on.
Mm-hmm.
So now, because I think they're doing Africa's trying to do the open border trading among themselves. So XRP is playing a major part in it to me. And before you used to do some sort of transaction between an African country, basically, let's say Nigeria want to do a trade within say Cameroon. They actually have to go through France. They have to go through France for them to do a transaction.
How does that even make sense?
Yeah. Kenya now is saying, look, why am I trading in Africa and I still have to use the US dollar?
Yeah, that dude is funny. He said, I have some words for you, my brothers and sisters. I have some advice. Get rid of the US dollar as soon as possible. You would be like, what? I'm like, nah, this dude knows something. He knows something that we don't know because he's not playing.
That's the whole thing. They're going to stop using SWIFT. They're going to stop using a lot of stuff that's going on right now. If they start using cryptocurrency to settle their trading, they won't, well, obviously, they won't need a US dollar. But the US dollar is still going to survive. Don't get me wrong. It's still going to survive. But it's just that other people are going to actually start waking up and start using other means for them to transfer funds.
All right. Oh, well, like I said, bro, I'm watching and I'm ready.
I know this thing's not going nowhere.
Yeah,
You got
bro.
1,500 ticks?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, bro. Even if I get into a trade,
It's coming down because of order flow. I mean, we got a negative delta.
Yeah, even if I get on today and trade, I feel like I'll only do one contract, two contract, maybe, but probably only one if because I don't like this. I really want to.
You saw Bradley Beal got traded to the Suns?
Yeah, yo, that's a good look, right?
Yo, why KD got a super team every team he's on?
They want to be with him, but I don't know, man. Everybody got
He
a
got Book,
quote
he
on.
got Beal. They
Yeah,
got rid of CP3 though.
everybody got a quote on super team now. LeBron, once Kyrie and LeBron link up, that's another super team again.
I don't think that's gonna happen.
You don't think so?
Nah.
Damn. Yo, bro, remember, bro, as soon as you get back from school, we go into these games.
Going to a game.
Yeah, bro. I was already looking right now if there was a soccer game this weekend. But I know you already like this week I meant because you already leaving by the weekend. But they don't got nothing. But yo, you in Florida, bro. So I don't know. You don't want soccer like that though. But Messi's right there, man.
Messi.
Messi's right there now. He's by starting August. He's playing down there.
That's crazy.
Bro, the MLS, yo, every team in the MLS paid this dude because they know. Like every team gave like $1 to $3 million to give to him.
Because he's like bringing attention to the league.
Bro, these tickets at Atlanta United at Mercedes-Benz Stadium was like $20, bro. Like for like the nosebleed or whatever, even like going down, it was like $70. When we went to go buy the tickets to go see Messi, yeah, bro. When we went to go buy the tickets now to see Messi play after the next season, $200, $400, $500. Yeah, bro, you need to go. You want to try to go closer, like $1,000, $3,000. It's crazy, bro.
Let me ask Jeffrey something. Jeffrey, you here?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Jeffrey, do you think because of Messi, I don't know if you know Messi. You know Messi?
Nah.
Bro, he's like a legendary soccer player, bro.
Okay.
All right, let's put it this way. It's like Michael Jordan in his prime coming to DC, your town, play
Okay.
for DC, right? Do you think, as you know, the real estate market is so high in Florida, do you think if the same was to go to presenting himself in DC, like Michael Jordan, his prime coming to your town, do you think it can actually go down by 30%? I mean, real estate wise, like if you think because
You
of
mean
one
him
person,
leaving would drive prices down?
with him coming would have drive prices up.
Oh, drive price. Yeah. Well, I don't think it drives prices up of real estate. It brings the value of like short-term rentals. Short-term rental business will increase dramatically because people will be coming into town for short-term stays, that kind of thing. You know, I don't see people moving because when Michael Jordan came in, nobody moved because he left Chicago. You know, they still love Chicago. People love their
He
team.
did go to DC
Still
when
play.
he retired.
Huh?
He did go to DC when he retired, right?
Yeah, he came to DC.
That's a DC team.
Yeah.
Yeah. But he wasn't his prime though. He was like old.
Right. No, he wasn't in his prime. Absolutely. Yeah, he was that. He actually got tricked into coming back. It was like what's that movie? Trading Places kind of scenario.
Yo, that's my movie right
Guy
there.
made a bet, and then Michael Jordan was the fool that bought into the bet.
That's my movie right there, bro. I watched that the other day. That is classic. I've been watching a lot of trading, anytime trading movies,
Yes.
all that stuff.
Taking some nice trades this morning already. Taking a long
And
All
the
right.
market is moving so slow.
Yeah, bro. I got like 20 minutes, if that.
It's like freaking nighttime.
If I don't see nothing right now, I'm out of here. And I'm just gonna call it a day too. I'm not gonna get back on here later. It don't make no sense. Yo, these are the days we need to pay attention to. So this is one of the days out of the month that's not really a good quote unquote day. Remember, we got 20. So we gotta start
Wait,
mark.
Terrence, this thing over here, this was just a second entry long failure, right?
Where? You talking about this setup right here?
I think so. Yeah, that was just a second entry long failure, right?
Yeah, bro. I got one right here. 1, 2. This was right at 929, so I didn't even look at it. I really was looking for them to come back up and test it one more and really touch the 21. So this you talking about this trade right here, right?
Yeah, 920. Yeah, wait.
Yeah.
929, I think.
Yeah. If it would have touched the 21, would have been interesting, but I've been seeing, if you look back, they've been trapping second entry longs and failing it, and then making that a trap. Then we go one more push higher. So that's why I wasn't even interested. If you look back at like 3:12 a.m., you see how they basically did a trap, fail second entry long.
Oh, bro.
And then
You said 321?
yeah, 3:21 a.m. or 3:12 a.m. My bad. You see how they
312?
you see how they failed it, trapped people, went up, but really all they did was, okay, the second entry long didn't work. That's why we got to stay calm even if we get stopped out. But what's working? We got 0, first entry, second entry short. Will work. A little difficult too because it's above the EMA and whatnot, but that's why I'm being, still doing research on the EMA and when to be lenient.
Yeah, it's moving like it's moving at nighttime for me. So I'm like, this is way too slow.
You guys want to just call it a day now?
I mean, hey,
I'm going to stop because it's not volatile enough.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, it's very, very slow.
This was like watching the race. Here goes Max in the front. Anything happening? Nah. All the excitement is behind us. Okay, we get a little move. Not really.
Okay. See you later.
All right, guys, later.
later.
Oh, y'all leaving? All right.
Hey, Gavin, give me a call.
All right.
All right, yo. Yeah, guys, I'm going to just leave it alone. I'm going to take some M&Qs right now. That's what I will do.
Peace.
All right, yo, later. Later, guys. Phoenix, I will see you soon, I'm sure. All right, Jeffrey. Yo, Jeffrey, I'm watching you, bro. Even if I'm not there, I got an eye right on the back.
I'm in my one trade right now, and I'm about to. I am 2 ticks, 3 ticks. Once it comes down in tags, I'm out because I've passed my eval.
There you go, mate.
One more account.
There you go, mate. We'll
That's
just
that account and going and just monitoring the other ones.
just let me know what's going on, all right, man?
Yes, sir.
All right,
Yes,
brother.
sir.
Great stuff. Great stuff. All right, guys. Later. All right, stream. We out of here. We ain't doing nothing. I'm going to take a quick M&Q real quick and record my day, and I'm out of here.